Sa Rosewood, 2 stories. Ang mga classmates. Busy na kayo, daghan na mga dala. Hi!
Row house, di ay nga double gate.
Pwede rin dahil siya, no?
Ikaw na yung kibali mo pa, no? Ikaw rin yung bahala kung dito ang uniform mo.
Oh, ito na yung
Hi, Grace! Hi, Nanit!
Hello!
Yes! I found it!
Okay, Cecil, the birthday girl.
I found it.
Cecil. Nakabutang dahil harote.
Isira na, oh.
Uy, balik na po.
Ro, pag-hi sa dali, Ro.
Hi! I found the cake!
Okay, makasulod na gini guys. Kinakita na namang susi.
Vlog. Oo.
Sus na si Grace guys. Nakita na gini ako. Dugan yung katapon mag-eskwela pag yun ni. Sinanikod, oh. Sinanikod. Katapon pag-eskwela pa. Si Cecil o si Ruthie.
Tulo ka di kada.
Si Cecil o si Ruth, nakadtuman sila sa balay. Oh, mana.
Tulo ka di kada.
Kita ay hapon
Karon
ni.
pa nagkita-kita.
Kining duha wala pag yun, oh. Pati si Nanit. Hi. Ang guwapa kayo sila guys. Nara mo istihan dito.
Saraya lang juga mo sa kaskan, sir.
Duha kanda
Sir.
na, oh. Ha?
Naulahin mo sa imong balay.
Asa?
Welcome!
Yes!
To my
Na-free na good.
Yes, I sleeper.
Welcome
Nice sleeper.
to our...
Ay, bakit?
Yeah! Wow, kadako di ay, oh.
Aircon eh. Aircon na ah.
Binangating pagkain, dito na. Oh, napitaas guys. Oh, indot ang kawan niya, oh. Diyos ang danas, luag yun.
So, ano hindi nila patangidaan ko eh?
Oh, water?
Oo. Mag-connect to Sar! Sar, mag-unsa na TikTok!
Ay, lagi mo lang mag-tiktok. Mag-tiktok ganda yun ba karon? Mga ganyan itong basta banding-banding ano. TikTok. Tanong sa tadistas daw, Ros. Ros. Uy! Pati ang kuan niya, oh, kanindot, oh. Wow! Kadako sa kuan, guys. Uy, kanindot dito sa taas, guys.
Guys, welcome to my vlog. Itlog, wise guys. May sulod ang lugar. Wise guys, may sulod ang lugar.
Hala! Ang sama ng diri. Dali ako. Sa mga diri, guys, oh. Kadaghan. Kini, oh.
Sliding pure.
Kalak na sa room eh. Kadang sa mga dyan. Room? Kadaghan di sa room diri. Ato lang masigahon.
Hindi ka ni.
Oh, nagsigaw
Dali na.
niya. Uy! Oh, may extra bed, oh.
Dali pa.
Ang gara ini si Grace, eh. Kini Grace, oh. Napa Grace? Hala! Ay, maura man din. Nailag ko. Kaya kung lahat na po nakaroon ko. Sakto sa lalaki. Sige, kuan. Jerry na pa diri day isa.
Dua. Dua.
Uy, kadaghan na day ni.
Ay, si Arto. Ano na si Ito ya, assistant yung musiga. Diri si Arto.
Si RD na. Oh. Kaya kadaghan. Dapat isa lang ito kwarto, uy. Para bibo ba? Si RD ni diri.
Muluk.
Ito na, mga tiki. Ukok. Ito pa isa.
Hai.
Wa man nang hinlo. Pero wala ko ang tiki. Awok dahil. Okay.
Pero nice man.
Naara nice man, oh, kadako mo sa kuan.
Wala yan mo.
Ready sing.
Hai.
Daghan kayo ang handa ni Cecil sa iyang birthday, guys, oh. Wow, ang iyang cake cute. Cute kayo ang iyang cake.
Ay, cute.
55 na siya ngayon. 55 years
naman yun na siya,
old.
Di mahal naman good, no? Selfie.
My proms.
Selfie ko.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Bahala mo.
Ay, abot na.
Wow.
Hi.
Dahil birthday
Grabe. Ay,
celebrant.
na. Birthday celebrant.
Wala na kayo itong picture sa tatanan.
Oh, bitaw. Tatak. Sinanito pa si Jerry. Ako niya na pa si Jerry. Unya na, ugna na si Jerry. Oh.
Nangauna ko kami, ma'am.
Chapchoy. Ang chapchoy po nila kayo.
Kilid man ako.
Huwag mahilo na. Nga?
Na yung anak ko. Yung anak ko yung member. Mau di ay. Naman po sa karoon dito. Pila karoon sa taas.
Kayo.
Tulo. Pwede sila duha ni Jerry sa kuan. Isa.
Wala ka na. Tama na rin ako. Kasi ikaw ako. Pero kaya saan ba? Kasi makakalimutan ko sa iyo. Kasi galit ako ako. Pero kaya sa iyo magkakalimutan ko. Sibu up. Sino ka sa mga? Eh, kung ako. Sumak na pina. Kasi wala ko. Magkailan na.
Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigawi. Hakbang mo'y dire. Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigawi. Hakbang mo'y diretso. Too many melody people running around the party. What is chance in heaven that we find a way to me? Tell me what's the sensation? It's a miracle to stop it. So I start with an explanation. Only one thing it could be that I was born for you. It was written in the stars because I was born for you. And the choice was never ours because of the powers of the universe. Inspired to make your mind until the day I die. I guess the day that I was born for you. All these people trying down between us, don't seem to matter. When I look into your eyes, now I know why I belong here. In your heart I found the answer. Sometimes the same story. The only realize that I was born for you. That you were born for me. That it's run the world. It's scary meant to be. We got the world to never understand. Everything away until the day I die. I'm blessed the day that I was born for you.
Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigawi. Amoy diretso, wala rin naman. Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sinisigawi. Amoy diretso, wala rin naman. Bawat galaw mo sa aking banda. Mo palang gumalaw ang gabi. Sinisigawi. Amoy diretso, wala rin naman.
Akala rin, Laura, binanagad. Amura, hinay.
Ako?
Ay mo, Laura man. Kandrot, Laura. Break lagi.
Oh, kuya, okay na na, go. Kanawa guys. Ginaw na mo mabed, para mag-isam din sa ubos. Ayun. Ayan. Nagkalisod-lisod tuloy. Nagkalisod-lisod pagsaka guys. Patinggo. Pag-hinay dia, hinay. Ay, naku. Ikaw, ako naman tanong. Kaya naman sa ako. Okay na ni? Sige, ikaw na mo. Tayo. Saka na. Sana ko may pulon ba yun?
Press, push, stretch, last time all the way around. Push, stretch, press and stretch. Nice walk, very nice. Okay, put that mind muscle. Tuck the tummy. Skaters are coming back, everybody. Side step, now here we go, side step. Okay, up together, up together. Okay, start the top, bring it back behind you. Just tap behind you. Arms are going, they just follow. Here we go, around, around. Nice, step, tap, reach it. Way out in front, reach. And pull it around. Almost like you're gonna row a boat. Come on. You can get your back muscles in on this. Yeah, a little bit of a row, and row two more. Go. All right, walk. The next pace comes on. This is the fast one. This is where we shoot up a little bit. Here it is. Woo. Hey guys, tap out, and then we're gonna do another tap. It's fast, speed. Nice, go. Come on. Come on, that heart rate. Come on. Ready? Tap out right here. Tap. Yes, bring it on. Okay, tap. All right, tap. Either single tap, we'll do double taps, team up. Give me just 4, 3, 2. Now double this. Keep it small, and then kind of get that pace. Wow, come on. Fast leg. Go. Now straighten out. So. Okay, move my arms. There we go. So. You got it. See? Go. You can do it. Fast feet, fast arms, tight tummy. Come on, here's some core stability. You need it now. Woo. Come on. Just a few more sets. 2 more sets. 1 more set. Walk. Yeah, good. Hey guys, set up that core. Tummy, pull that belly button. I want you to kick strong. Ready? 1 more, just 4, just 3, just 2. We're kicking now. Kick. Any leg you kick, it's the right leg. It's the correct leg. Doesn't matter. It's right or left, just kick. Strong kicks, tight. Opposite hand, reach the feet, go. When your right leg kicks, your left hand reaches. And again, that's when you add waistline. Waistline's in there. 4, 3, walk. Nice. Double side step and then we'll turn that into a skater. Double side step just the basics. Give me a few more walks. 4, 3, ready, a double. Keep it easy at first. Get those feet on that beat. Let's put it right now. Stretch out a little bit. Come on. Fast feet. Fast feet. You got it. All right, when you're ready, add a skater here. Good. You tap behind it. There you go. Out together. Tap that. That's right. Arms are coming with you. Good. Tap that. Out together. Tap that. Good. You keep close to your body and get a little twist. Nice rotation there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk. Nice. Go out of the speed walk. Come on. Go, legs, go. Nice. Kick that. Come on now. Okay, about 10 legs. We're on 7. Number 7 of my healthy life tips. Let's get the kick back. 4 and 3 and 2 and kick back. Here we go. Kick that. Sit low. Nice fire. Keep moving. Don't worry about the healthy tip yet. I like a leg for 5. Nice. Push your leg. Push. My number 7 healthy life tip is to add muscle. Well, I want you to do strength train. We're doing beautiful breast aerobic cardio exercise right now. I want you to also train your muscles individually. Strength train. You can get so lean. You'll be strong all your life. 2 more. Walk. It's so important that we add 2 days a week. That's all you need. Strength train the whole body. A little muscle in your walks. Because strong people stay young. They really do. Come on. Fast walk. Go. I'm doing tap out. 4, 3. Tap out. Just say. Here goes. Tap. Come on. Stay strong. All right, just a movement. Just a little move. Come on. Just move to the corner. There you go. That's nice. Come on. Go. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Wow, that was great. Walk. How do you know that was right? Because I see our beautiful walkers at home. I see you. I love you. Listen, I thank you. I love all the feedback I get. Facebook, Twitter. I really do feel like I'm right there now.
At oras na ng check-out sa iniistihan naming guest house, guys. So ayan, nakaready na kami at pumunta kami sa guest house ng kapatid ko sa Camilla. Hindi nila alam to kasi yung isa naming kaibigan o classmate siya ang nag-book sa Rosewood. So ayan, nakita nila, nagandahan sila. So pag may mga pagkakataong mga ganito, pwede nilang i-recommend yan, yung guest house ng kapatid ko. So ayan, picturean. At before kami magsiuwian sa aming mga bahay-bahay, ayun, nag-lunch muna kami guys sa All Seasons Buffet. Eat all you can. Ayun, yan.
Ay, alam, di ba siguro? Oh, buot naman yung pula.
Kasi paborito ni mo diri ro?
Kimchi.
Ay, kimchi, be? Ay mo ni kimchi?
Ama ka nagwa.
Nawapukaan liwan.
Dito.
Magkuha ang magtilaw sa kakan. Kasi paborito ni mo daday.
Ha?
Dahil sa paborito ni mo tanan.
Tanan man, pero pipili rin ako ang mas kuan ko. Ay, kuan. Seafood.
Kalami kasi mga foods guys.
Paksiw.
With may paksiw pag yun.
Paksiw.
Nag-video sa ka. Kau, Grace. Oh, lami lang kao ni Grace karon ba? Nag-video sa tayo magkao na dahin ko. Pwede na.
Ang sukat.
Ay guys, ang paborito ang butanan. Paborito na paborito. Tama, dilawan ang butanan. Namulo ka na. Pero kan may paborito na ko. Kini may pinapakaborito na ko guys.
Chop suey.
Chop suey. Sunod na? Okay na? Okay, try ko. Ay guys, ang paborito ang butanan. Paborito nga paborito. Tama, dilawan ang butanan.
Ano ka na?
Pero kan din may paborito na ko. Kini mo yung pinaka-paborito na ko guys. Paborito na ko guys.
Chop suey.
At hanggang dito lang ang video ko guys. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for all supporting my channel. Thank you, Team Survivors. Bye-bye.